enthusiasts and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I'll give you an overview of the card, its pros and cons, and my take on that card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'm going over the Delta SkyMiles Reserve American Express credit card. The ideal place to focus isn't in an airport terminal with its long queues, stacked bags and rowdy kids. Instead of using a noisy gate, you might want to consider other solutions if you're travelling for business and require a peaceful area to work. If you check in with a Delta boarding pass for the same day and have a Delta SkyMiles Reserve American Express card, you can access Delta Sky Clubs for free. A reduced admission price of $39 is available to passengers on flights operated by a Delta partner that Delta doesn't market. 2 one-time guest passes for the lounge are also provided to you, which you may use each year. Your ability to invite up to 2 guests at a reduced price of $39 each after the passes have been issued is still available. The Delta Reserve American Express card has a lot of additional benefits in addition to lounge access that frequent Delta travellers may find helpful. For instance, by using their Delta Reserve card to make purchases, members can more quickly reach Medallion Elite status. They also get free checked bags and priority boarding when they fly with the airline. Other noteworthy perks include the annual companion certificate, primary car rental collision insurance, accidental death and dismemberment coverage, baggage insurance plan, priority boarding for main cabins, concierge service, and a 24/7 global assistance hotline. Along with those, it also offers customary advantages like return purchase protection, fraud protection, year-end costs, and in-flight purchase savings. Additionally, this card comes with several security measures that are common to American Express cards. If your physical card is lost or stolen, it also provides quick card numbers. You can call customer service at any time. In addition, cardholders can use their online account to chat with a representative, find Amex on Meta, or tweet inquiries and feedback to @AskAmex. And all of it for a $550 annual fee. For most people, this would seem like a significant charge, but for frequent flyers who get to take advantage of numerous benefits, it makes sense. However, to be approved for this card, you must have a decent or outstanding credit score, which is regarded as between 670 and 850. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Delta SkyMiles Reserve American Express credit card. Here are the pros. Number 1. Extraordinary advantages of luxurious vacation. Number 2. Generous bonus offer. Number 3. Possibility of receiving greater rewards. Number 4. Delta offer luxurious bonuses. Number 5. Access to Delta Sky Club airport lounges. And lastly, number 6. Annual companion certificate valid in both first class and economy. But here are the cons. Firstly, high annual fee. Secondly, high regular APR. Thirdly, low reward earning rates. Fourth, only domestic flights are eligible for the companion certificate. 5. There is only one person allowed entry to the Sky Club. And lastly, number 6, requires a good or excellent credit. We heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. You can use this card to make direct purchases from Delta and receive 3 miles for every dollar spent indefinitely. This includes tickets for flights purchased on delta.com, Sky Club memberships or passes, Delta vacation packages, seat upgrades and in-flight purchases. On all other transactions, 1 mile is earned for every dollar spent, and the miles are perpetual. The SkyMiles Rewards program entitles you to additional miles in addition to the ones you accrue for using this credit card to make purchases. Every dollar spent on Delta flights earns a member of the general SkyMiles program 5 miles. After you achieve medallion status, those benefits rise. When you have silver medallion status, for instance, you can earn 7 miles for every dollar you spend on airfare. Rollover MQMs are unlimited. There are unlimited free first class and Delta comfort upgrades, and priority check-in and boarding are available. It would be a stretch to call Delta's SkyMiles program error-free. It's challenging to estimate the precise cost of an award ticket because the airline discontinued posting award charts on its website. Delta introduced dynamic pricing for award tickets, which means that award flights now price out following demand, adding salt to injury. More desirable flights, as you may have expected, cost more miles. Thank goodness SkyMiles may be used for other airlines beside Delta. Delta SkyMiles can be used to book flights with other Sky Team Alliance members. The following airlines are also part of the Sky Team Alliance: Aerolíneas Argentinas, Aero Mexico, Air Europa, Air France, China Airlines, China Eastern Airlines, Czech Airlines, Garuda Indonesia, ITA Airways, Kenya Airways, KLM, Korean Air, Middle East Airlines, Saudia, Tarom, and Vietnam Airlines. As soon as you sign up for a Delta SkyMiles credit card, you also get a bonus. After making $6,000 in eligible purchases with your new card in the first 6 months, you'll earn 95,000 bonus miles. When you fly with Delta, you can use the reserve card to get free access to any Delta Sky Club worldwide. Additionally, you can use Status Boost to accrue up to 60,000 medallion qualifying miles annually. You can earn 15,000 MQMs 4 times a year after making $30,000 in purchases with your card in a calendar year, bringing you one step closer to medallion status. MQMs are distinct from the miles you accumulate for flights and are used to determine medallion status. You'll also need to understand how to maximize your rewards to get the most out of all the prizes and incentives. The first step to getting the most out of this card is to make sure you use it frequently enough to qualify for its exclusive offer. To do that, you must charge an average of $1,000 per month for the first 3 months that you hold the card. For a total of $3,000 in charges, you get 95,000 bonus miles as payment. When used to book flights with Delta, the additional miles are worth $1,440, and the MQMs advance you closer to elite status. If you use this card for all your purchases during that time and moving forward, you can earn the most miles possible. With Delta purchases, which result in 2 miles for every dollar spent, this is especially crucial. Since you get a 20% discount on such Delta transactions, you can also save money by charging in-flight food and drink to the card. On this card, every dollar spent on non-Delta items results in 1 mile. You may increase your returns on the card by a factor of 3 if you charge $30,000 to the Delta SkyMiles Reserve Amex within a year, which is a challenging goal for many users. You are given 15,000 MQMs after that, which is why. You might be able to accumulate the 25,000 annual MQMs required to qualify for Silver SkyMiles by using those in addition to other MQMs that you have acquired through special offers or from travelling with Delta. Additionally, with that rank, you are eligible to receive 7 more points for every dollar spent on purchases from Delta. Regardless of how much you spend, you can further maximise your return on this card by taking advantage of the yearly companion certificate. This certificate permits you to take someone with you on a round trip if you only pay taxes and duties of up to $75 on their ticket. You can choose a free first-class flight with the certificate, which might significantly increase that advantage by several $100s. Even if you have to pay for your ticket, if you want to go with a friend, this is still a tempting bonus that could help offset some of the annual prices for this card. I would give the prizes a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 for the advantages. The annual costs gets a disappointing 4 out of 10. I would give the level of customer service a 9. The American Express Delta SkyMiles Reserve Card is intended for devoted Delta customers to fly frequently enough, such as several times per month, to accrue enough miles to cover the card's high annual fee. In particular, Delta flyers who spend a lot of money on the airline will benefit from its bonus earning chances, and those who use the Delta Reserve Amex can earn bonus MQMs and an MQD waiver in exchange for spending to meet the requirements for a certain tier of Delta Elite status. Fans of Delta who are thinking about getting a Delta Sky Club membership might also discover that getting the Delta Reserve Amex is a better financial decision. For individuals who frequently fly on Delta, the extraordinary luxury amenities and opportunity to accrue bonus points offered by the Delta SkyMiles Reserve American Express card more than make up for this astronomically high annual fee. However, this card is a dubious option for infrequent travellers. You might also think about a premium card with a non-airline brand if you are not a die-hard Delta customer. I suggest that you think through every scenario before applying for this card or any other. This wraps up my review of the Delta SkyMiles Reserve American Express credit card. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labour of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.